Hi guys, I'm Warren Nash, and if you're looking for a recipe to jazz up your salads, then this is the perfect dish. Here is how to make a cashew nut salad, which is full of really tasty ingredients, plus a little bit of crunch as well. Now firstly we'll start by grilling one chicken breast that has been butterflied and 2 rashers of smoked back bacon. And once the bacon's cooked and the chicken's cooked through and there's no pink in the middle, take the chicken, then slice into chunks. Also take the 2 bacon rashers, slice into chunks, then set aside with the chicken. Next, take some sun-dried tomatoes, 50 grams worth, then slice into small chunks. And for another tasty filling, take 50 grams of green pitted olives and slice in half. And next, take 50 grams of baby leaf salad and pour into a bowl that's big enough to hold all of your ingredients. Then add the chopped chicken and bacon along with the chopped olives and the sun-dried tomatoes. And now pour in 50 grams of cashew nuts. And simply mix all of these ingredients together until everything's combined, and then your cashew nut salad is ready to serve. And there you have it, that's how to make this delicious cashew nut salad, which is full of really tasty ingredients to make this delicious salad dish.